Now open mToken Wallet. Click the browser, enter the platform link, enter the platform. Click on the connection wallet in the upper right corner. Click on the Tron Public Chain Wallet, enter the page prompting to collect the miner's fee. Click Next, enter the password, and the miner's fee will be charged successfully. On the home page, simply read the announcement and you can close it. Here is the introduction of the platform company, platform advantages, frequently asked questions, as well as the official audit agency certification, and the partners here. Click Pool. Here you can see the valid nodes, yesterday's income, the total accumulated income after joining the platform, and the balance of the account that has not been withdrawn. Here you can see that there are a large number of user mining revenue records every day. The level of income is VIP15, and the interest rate of each level is different. The higher the membership level, the more income you will get. The more USDT you have in your own wallet, the higher the yield. Click Team. Here you can see the number of team members, team income, and the number of direct pushers. Click to invite friends, and you can share the link with anyone. When a friend activates and participates in USDT node mining through your link, you will get the platform for free award. Here you can see how much profit your subordinate users bring to you. The team invitation level corresponds to the VIP level of the personal account, and multiple levels of invitations can be shared. The higher the VIP level, the more friends you invite and the more income you will get. Click on Mine. You can see the balance here, which is the USD obtained from the mining of the platform account, and you can also see the accumulated income, yesterday's income. Enter the amount to be withdrawn in the withdrawal. Click Confirm and it is successful. What we withdraw is the number of tranches. One withdrawal requires $1 US, and the minimum withdrawal is also $1 US. Record, you can see all your withdrawals, daily mining income, and team dividends. If you encounter any problems on the platform, you can contact the online customer service consultation to help us solve the problem.